Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something extraordinary to share with you, and it's not just any motorhome. We're talking about the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a vehicle that takes luxury travel to an entirely new level. When you hear the name Rolls-Royce, you think of elegance, craftsmanship, and prestige. But now imagine all of that reimagined for the open road. From the outside, the design immediately makes a statement. The iconic Rolls-Royce grille sits proudly at the front, crowned by the spirit of ecstasy that now retracts smoothly for safety. Sleek LED lights wrap around the body, giving it a modern yet timeless presence. The smooth lines not only look beautiful but also improve efficiency. And despite its size, it carries itself with the confidence of a grand tourer. The large alloy wheels add power and grace to its commanding look. Step inside, and the experience is even more impressive. The interior feels less like a motorhome and more like a rolling luxury suite. Handcrafted wood finishes, rich leather seating, and adaptive ambient lighting create a refined atmosphere. The spacious living area includes plush seats that convert into reclining beds, a dining space with elegant detailing, and a fully equipped kitchenette. Rolls-Royce has also integrated smart home technology, climate zones, and expansive windows that flood the cabin with light while keeping it peaceful and private. Performance is equally impressive. The advanced hybrid powertrain delivers effortless torque with near-silent operation, making highway cruising unbelievably smooth. Adaptive suspension glides over rough terrain, while precise steering makes this large motorhome surprisingly easy to handle. Safety and convenience are enhanced by cutting-edge driver assistance features, ensuring comfort and peace of mind on every trip. Overall, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than just a luxury vehicle. It's a statement of comfort, freedom, and sophistication. It blends Rolls-Royce's unmatched heritage with modern mobility and exploration. This is not just traveling, it's experiencing the road in a way only Rolls-Royce could deliver. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews. I'll see you in the next video.